Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a fuel pump. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal. Next, relieve the fuel system pressure. This is a critical step to prevent fuel spray. Ensure you have all your tools ready, such as a 10mm wrench and a fuel line disconnect tool, before proceeding with any disassembly. To access the fuel pump, begin by removing the rear seat bottom cushion. This will reveal the fuel pump access panel. Carefully remove the screws or clips securing this panel. Before disconnecting anything, thoroughly clean the area around the pump to prevent any dirt or debris from falling into the fuel tank, which could cause future issues. Now, disconnect the electrical connector and all fuel lines from the pump using your specialized tool. Next, use a brass punch and hammer or a spanner wrench to carefully unscrew the fuel pump retaining ring counterclockwise. Gently lift out the old pump. Install the new fuel pump, making sure the new O-ring is correctly seated for a proper seal, then secure it with the retaining ring. For the final steps, securely reconnect all fuel lines and the electrical connector to the new pump. Reinstall the access panel and then the rear seat cushion. Before starting the engine, turn the ignition key to the on position for a few seconds, then off, repeating this 3 to 5 times. This primes the new fuel pump and builds pressure in the system.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.